Alright, so today's video, what we're gonna be making is a windshield banner for the Honda Civic. Now, I'm making a Toyo tires one, but this one's just using Dollar Tree products. Basically, it's very cheap, so I just spent about $5 or $6. So, you know, online's about $32 for the cheapest one. No, this video is not sponsored. I wish it was. Today's gonna be kind of like a 5-minute craft video. It's gonna be a little different, so let's get started. That looks pretty good. This is my first time ever cutting vinyl, for real. Dollar Tree, I mean, that looks good, but we still gotta finish up the Toyo part. But it looks very good though. I'm not lying. Okay, now what we gotta do is we gotta make sure that the letters are kind of lined up the way they're supposed to be lined up. So what I gotta do, I'm gonna move this out the way. I gotta put these letters in these holes, so that way when I put the vinyl on, it'll be all even and it's in this original position. The reason we want to do this, so that way, like, say for me, like I said, I don't have a vinyl cutter. Now that would be the best thing for this type of thing, and they'll look way better than this. I think it's still gonna turn out nice. So you're gonna lay them down right here. So when you get done laying them down, get your tape. You're gonna go straight down like this. Point in where the vinyl is, on the paper, and you're gonna lift up. You're gonna easily pull back off the paper. Easy, see, just like that. All we gotta do is peel back the adhesive right here, but we're gonna do that at the end. I'm gonna probably play around with it, try to see if I can get a squeegee, fix the bubbles, and probably won't be able to. It's too hot to the point where it's sticking, but it's sticking a little bit too much. And I forgot vinyl can flex too. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.